In this video, I will show you how to change the battery on this Toyota remote control. I'll be using a USB adapter and a small flat set screwdriver. Optionally, you can use a flat end of a multi-tool like this. Okay, so take the USB adapter and insert it in the top end of the remote control here. You can see there's a notch. I'm just going to put the adapter in like this and then turn it. And that'll open the case. Once you have the case open, make sure you point the buttons towards the ground so they don't fall out. So open the case and there's a little box inside here. So I'm going to pull the box out, put the remote down. Okay, now I'm going to open the little box and the battery's inside. So you'll see there are little tabs at the ends here. And I'm going to put the screwdriver underneath here and just pry. And you can pry on each end a little bit, and that should separate it. Okay, once you have it apart, then put the screwdriver underneath the battery and take the battery out. And you can see there are little posts here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 posts, and you'll want to put the battery underneath these two and then snap it on top of these two. I'll insert it underneath the posts and then press down. And I have the battery in. Now I'm going to get the cover, press the cover back on, and then press at the top, bottom, left and right. Make sure you hear a clicking sound. And then take the key, put the box back on, and then put the cover on and press down on it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.